Hey everybody, so I have another Guess What's in the Box video. The item is from Tekton, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is another Guess What's in the Box video. This box is from Tekton. Flip the box around. Tekton. Set on the side as well. We're gonna measure it. This box is 16 and 7/8 long by 10 and 3/8 wide by 3 and 5/8 deep. What do you guys think is in this box? I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and playing along with these Guess What's in the Box videos. I do find them, fun to make. They pass the time. They allow me to put something on the channel, as well as you guys that do play along. Some of you guys actually have fun with it and you enjoy them, from what I've noticed. I can't say you do enjoy them, but from what I see, you guys playing along and having fun and joking around, I assume you guys enjoy them. These are Tekton tools. They came directly from Tekton. I ordered them on Tekton's website. I like Tekton's website because you get 10% back to free to spend. So if you keep buying tools, you keep getting money to spend. You can rack that up and you can spend it, whether it's $1 you want to spend out of $100 you have, or you can apply $50 or $70 or whatever you choose in dollar increments, and then you can pay the rest with what you want with your own money. It's always nice, especially that kind of stuff is nice. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI and Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Very top of the description, there is a link to Also Tools. You guys want to click on that link. They were nice enough to send me a custom link over. You guys can get 10% off your order, as well as it does give me 10% off my next order if you guys click on the link, which helps me, it helps you guys. Also Tools makes torque wrenches, they make torque screwdrivers, they make regular ratchets, sockets, the regular wrenches. They do have a couple cool designed ratchet wrenches where you push on the ratchet side and then move the wrench the direction you want to go, and it automatically does the direction you want, which is kind of neat. You guys buy something, you find something that you guys want on their website, you use my link, it saves you some money. But I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe like always, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!